Well, this is the problem. When I'm open a new sources to display capture and okay, and there is nothing appear here. Yeah, the display one I have to display just blank screen. So how to fix this? Exit OBS and go to graphic settings and go to browse and browse for OBS 64, the OBS program. It is in program files, OBS Studio, bin, 64-bit, and OBS 64. Add and go to options and choose power saving. This is the problem. When by default we will choose let Windows decide. Windows will choose this option, and it will choose the high performance Nvidia Geforce. It happens because I'm using a laptop with two GPUs. So I have to choose manually the Intel Iris graphic. So save and restart OBS. See, display capture off, on, change to display 2. It works. Okay, I'm using OBS. This is the version, and my computer, I'm using a Windows 10 home single language. This is the build number, and this is the processor, i7, and with 2 GPUs. Device manager. Okay, here. 2 GPUs, Intel and Nvidia. This is the problem. So we have to manually choose Intel instead of Nvidia. Okay, thank you for watching. And now the display capture is good to go.